Ever fallen asleep with Netflix or a podcast still playing, only to wake up hours later wondering where you left off? iPhones and iPads have a hidden lifesaver, the sleep timer, to save you from that. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. Here's the trick. Open the clock app, tap timer, then select when timer ends. Scroll all the way down and tap stop playing. Now set your timer for 5, 10, or 20 minutes, whatever suits your bedtime routine, and your device will automatically stop streaming when the timer hits 0. No more endlessly playing shows while you sleep and no more guessing where to resume. The feature works with Netflix, Spotify, Apple Music, podcasts, and virtually any media app. For extra convenience, recent timers can be reused with a single tap, saving time if you switch between different timer lengths on different nights. Label your timer bedtime for clarity, and it'll remember the stop playing function for next time. Control Center and Siri make it even easier. Add timer to Control Center for quick adjustments, or just say, "Hey Siri, set a 10-minute sleep timer to stay hands-free." The key is including the word sleep so your device actually stops playing instead of just setting a regular timer. This hidden iOS and iPadOS feature makes bedtime binge watching stress-free. Now, it's possible to drift off while your favorite shows continue quietly in the background, then automatically stop, letting you pick up right where you left off, fully rested. Is this feature useful for you? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.